Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for all you tabletop gamers and RPG enthusiasts out there. We found the Chessex CHX25400 Opaque Ivory / Black Dice Set and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this product is all about. The Chessex CHX25400 is a meticulously crafted set of polyhedral dice, perfect for a range of tabletop games such as Dungeons & Dragons, Pathfinder, and even board games that require dice rolling. This set features a classic color combination of opaque ivory and black, giving it a striking and sophisticated appearance. One of the standout features of these dice is their construction. They are made from a particularly dense material that not only enhances the feel when rolling but also allows for flatter faces and sharper edges. This means you'll have a more precise roll, making your game sessions smoother and more enjoyable. The craftsmanship is truly impressive, and it's clear that Chessex has put a lot of thought into the design. Another highlight is the consistency in color. If you've purchased opaque Chessex dice in the past, you'll be pleased to know that these new sets will match your older ones perfectly, regardless of when they were made. This commitment to uniformity is essential for collectors and gamers who appreciate having a cohesive set. The economic value of this dice set is another reason to consider it for your gaming arsenal. You're getting a high-quality product at a fraction of the cost compared to other premium dice options on the market. This makes it an excellent choice for both newbies and seasoned players who want reliable dice without breaking the bank. So, who is this dice set suitable for? The Chessex CHX25400 is perfect for tabletop gamers of all skill levels. Whether you're a veteran dungeon master or just starting your role-playing journey, this set is an excellent addition to your gaming toolkit. It's also a great gift for friends who are into board games or RPGs, making it a versatile choice for anyone in your gaming circle. In practical use, you'll find that this set contains a full range of dice, 1d20, 1d12, 2d10, marked from 00-90 and 0-9, 1d8, 1d6, and 1d4. This variety allows you to tackle any game scenario you encounter.